that's when you need to get the fuck out of there. You need to get this thing and whoopah. We're back rolling. Well, I promise this is our last paddock of rolling. Hump 2 here. It's just been really rocky with livestock working here, so especially up in that far corner, it's absolutely rocky. Pretty bad on the motorbikes and stuff. But yeah. Ooh, that's a bit rough. We're rolling. I don't know if you see that 9:21. We'll knock off into another quarter of an hour. Didn't start till about 12. Yeah, 12ish. Yeah, we're doing harvest stuff, moving fuel bins and that, ready for when the contractors come back in. Yeah, we'll do about 9.5 hours, 9.5 hours of rolling. We've almost done half the paddock. Like, the pivot centre's only just over there, maybe two spans over. But yeah, just going all pretty well. Some water on that rut, we don't want to be going in there. That's what you don't want. You don't want the water like making waves in front of your roller, because that's when you need to get the fuck out of there. You need to get this thing and whoopah. You need to put that thing forward, hammer down, get out of there. But yeah, almost only got about a quarter left of harvest, quarter of paddock left. We did get a portion of one rain of 4 mil and then a 6 mil rain this week, so that's put harvest off for a little bit longer. Hopefully we'll get back in there in a few days and finish it off, the barley. Yeah, then besides that, then we'll be a bit of livestock work, and then we'll be getting ready to sow pretty much. And not quite ready, but we'll be thinking about it, planning what crops in what paddock. Be resting a few paddocks this year, as of they've been cropped too many years in a row, and then obviously bring in some new paddocks to the cropping program. That's pretty good view. She's a big girl. This is a really hard one-handed. Probably see. Got some shooters over there. Hopefully I don't send any shots this way. Mag Daddy wouldn't like that. Yeah. Or the back mowing again soon. Second cut. Lucerne's looking really, really good. That first cut really cleaned it up. And yeah, so we're gonna have some pretty pure, clean lucerne, good quality hay, as long as we plan it right and cut it within a 7-day span of no rain. But yeah, anyway, I hope everyone has a good one.